In this video, I'm going to show you 3 push-ups that are going to help you with your mobility. Hey everyone, Coach Michael here from Forever Aesthetic. Let's get into the first push-up variation. The first push-up we're going to do is called scapular push-ups. This push-up is going to work our scapula and our upper back. So watch as my arms are locked out as I sink in here for 6 reps. We're going to keep our feet together here in a nice straight position, core in line, and I'm going to drop, let my shoulder blades touch each other, then I'm going to press up. Drop, let the shoulder blades touch, press up. 2, drop, press up. 3, good, sinking through. 4, 5, and 6. Awesome. The next push-up we're going to get into here is called the under the gate push-up. The reason it's called under the gate is we're going to picture a set of bars and we're going to work ourselves under and up. Watch this. So we'll start a downward dog position. So we're going to get our hips up into the sky. We're going to curl under the gate, drop through, and press up to the sky. So we're getting a big stretch here through our abdomen, through our chest, keeping everything nice and open. We're going to come back through the gate and press up. So we're going to sink in, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, come back through the gate. We're going to go for 6 reps here. Good, 3 to go. Good, last one here. Make sure to really use your breath to go in and out. Perfect. And the last push-up we're going to do here is called a hollow push-up. So we're going to make sure we keep our arms locked out, hollowing our upper back, and then getting our nose down to the ground. So what's going to happen here? Get into that push-up position. I'm going to shift my weight forward, shoulders over fingers, around my upper back. Now I'm going to lower myself to the floor as I go to touch with my nose and press back up and lock it out. So we're keeping that hollow position, coming down, pressing up. Remember, breathe in. Breathe in, out. 2 more. Last one. And those are 3 different variations of push-ups you can incorporate into your upper body routine. These push-ups will help you open up your upper back. They'll put a nice load on your triceps and work your chest at the same time. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.